Hello, so advanced spreadsheets, looking at some tricky areas using the pre-online revision paper and work files. And we're going to look at question 23, which is the future value financial function. Okay, so it's asking us to open the revision workbook, if you haven't got it open already, and go to the future value worksheet and add a financial function in E10 to calculate the future value of the investment detailed on the worksheet. So let's do this together. So here we are in the revision workbook and we're on the future value sheet, and this is the information that we have. So first of all, we're going to click into E10, and then I'm going to go and use the insert function or the FX just to bring that up there. If I'm not sure what I'm doing, I could use the language future value, because that's what the question is asking me, and I could click on go, and then I've got some things coming up. It's got a value and it's got and then future value I can see returns the value in investment based on a periodic constant payments and constant interest rates. That sounds about right. So we're going to use that one. As we know in the test, we use FV, PMT and PV. So we have our arguments here, our function arguments, and it gives us an indicator. When we click in here, it'll tell us different things as well, so it can help us out. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the information that we have, and we're going to think about a few things as we go along. So we know that our interest rate is 6%, which is E4, but we must divide interest rate by 12, in other words, to get our monthly. Okay, so we move to the next one, which is the total number of payments. Now, total number of payments is already in months, so if we click on there, that's fine. We don't need to convert it because it's not annual, it's not years. And then PMT, there's no information there to put in there, so we can either put a 0 in or we can leave it blank. So there's no monthly payment. But present value is the investment amount that's been invested. But remember, this is a negative, so we put a minus in front because it's something that we've paid out. It's already been paid out, invested at the beginning. So now we've got something coming back. Looks okay. Click on OK, and you can see that 6% rate over 60 months term, £50,000 would have a future value of 67,000, etc. So that one's worked. So if we look at it up here, you can see that there is a gap where we didn't put anything. We can put a 0 in there if you want to, and still give us the same result, but both are correct. So that's a future value that has been invested, and it gives us back the amount that we'd get on the return. So future value finished. Thank you.